Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about creating navigation forms. To do so, first you'll click, for as many navigation forms as you want to make, Create. Once you click Create, bypass that navigation system that's already given to you because they're not great, and choose Blank Form. On your blank form, we can go to Design View and simply start adding elements. Make sure you're on the Design tab, and you can choose to put in a label so that you can put in the title. Excuse me. Main menu, for example, and you can format it as you like. And you can also use command buttons in order to carry out actions. So let's start with opening something. Now, let's start with form operations. So we can actually go in and open a form by choosing Open Form. And what I'll do is I'll start with employees. Let's say I want to open the employees form. We can choose to open the form and find data or open it and show all the records. Let's do all of the records and click Next. And I'm going to call this something that I can understand. So Edit and View Employees. And then click Next. Call it something you'll understand. And then click Finish. Additionally, you can document your stuff in the form. Use this form if you wish to edit existing data or view records for existing employees. Okay, this counts as documentation and is a good thing. Once you review or return to your form view, then you can see what your form looks like and test it. And there's our employees form. Another thing that you might want to do is once you open a form, you'll see that we get stacks of things up here. Add a button to your form that will allow you to close, I'll put it up here, the form. Back to form operations, and we'll close the form. I'm just going to leave the text as closed form, click Next, and call it Close Employee Form. And finish. Now when we go back, we can just simply click Close Form. Okay. I'm going to save this as my main menu. However, know that you could have a main menu that leads to submenus. For example, you could have buttons that lead to existing other menus, such as a forms menu, or a data entry menu, or a reports menu. It's up to you. I suggest you draw a little flowchart to plan how you want your navigation to work based on the business requirements. In the next video, I'll talk to you about macros and how they apply to these menus.